Hello everyone, and welcome to today's exploration of Midjourney AI, a cutting-edge tool revolutionizing the world of AI, art, and creativity. In this episode, we'll dive into the top 5 best uses of Midjourney AI, exploring its capabilities and impact across various applications. Let's get started. 1. Stock photo generation. One of the most practical uses of Midjourney AI is in stock photo generation. With its ability to interpret text prompts and create corresponding images, Midjourney is transforming the stock photography industry. It can quickly generate high-quality images for various themes and concepts, making it a valuable tool for content creators, designers, and marketers. 2. Artistic texts and illustrations. Midjourney AI excels in transforming text into captivating artistic visuals. From graffiti designs to film cover designs, Midjourney can interpret textual prompts and produce stunning illustrations that evoke creativity and imagination. This application is particularly appealing to writers, authors, filmmakers, and graphic artists seeking unique visual representations of their work. 3. Photo manipulation and editing. Another impressive use of Midjourney AI is in photo manipulation and editing. It can seamlessly blend, enhance, or transform images based on specific instructions, offering endless possibilities for photographers and digital artists. From enhancing colors to creating surreal compositions, Midjourney opens up new avenues for visual storytelling. 4. Interior photo generation. Midjourney AI is also making waves in interior design by generating realistic room layouts and decor concepts. By describing a desired setting or atmosphere, Midjourney can produce lifelike interior visuals that aid in conceptualization and planning. This capability is invaluable for architects, decorators, and homeowners exploring design possibilities. 5. Collaborative functions with other AI software. Lastly, Midjourney AI offers exciting collaborative functions when paired with other AI software. By integrating with complementary technologies like DALL-E, DID Studio, and Stable Diffusion, Midjourney expands its creative potential. These collaborations enable artists and developers to push the boundaries of AI-generated art and innovation.
AI in healthcare is so much greater. Imagine a future where AI can predict and prevent diseases before they even happen, or where robots can assist in surgeries with precision and accuracy that's impossible for humans.
In conclusion, Midjourney AI is a versatile and groundbreaking tool that continues to redefine the possibilities of AI, art, and creativity. From stock photo generation to interior design visualization, Midjourney empowers creators and professionals across diverse industries. We hope you enjoyed this exploration of the top 5 best uses of Midjourney AI. Stay tuned for more exciting developments in the world of artificial intelligence. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative and inspiring, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on AI technology and innovation. Feel free to share your thoughts and experiences with Midjourney AI in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and creating with the power of AI. Goodbye.